Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to link WooCommerce to your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So if you've not already, go ahead and log in, and after successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here with the left side screen. You can find all the sections you can access for your website, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with connecting WooCommerce. So first things first guys, you can take a look at the WooCommerce option right here at the left side screen. This is going to enable us to go ahead and get started with setting up our store. So if you do not already have a store, you'll be greeted by this menu right here where you can get started with starting a new store. And if you already have a store, you can go ahead and manage it from this option right here at the left side screen. But now we can get started with adding even more WooCommerce plugins if we need to go ahead and set up our store exactly how we want it. So if you want to connect even more plugins, you can go into the plugins option right here at the left side screen. Opening up the plugins option is going to open up this plugins marketplace where you can take a look at all the plugins you can use. And what you can do is search for WooCommerce. So by searching for WooCommerce, it's going to give us a list of all the plugins that are related to WooCommerce. So you can see this is the most used one. By automatic, everything you need to launch an online store. So if you want to install it, you can just click the install button that's going to appear right here. And by clicking the install button, it's going to add it to your WordPress website. And now you can get started with connecting WooCommerce right here and using it as a store. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.